Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I got you guys something so special. I got these 5 matte lipstick from Maybelline. I'm gonna swatch these. I got these from Target. You guys can get them from any drugstore. So yeah, let's go ahead and start it. I'm gonna start first with this color. It's called Philosopher. So this is Philosopher. The second one is Loyalist. This is Loyalist. The third one is Ruler. Actually, I love this color. Now the fourth one is Believer. This is Believer. And last one is the Dreamer. And now I finished from this video. I hope you guys like it. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and tell me in the comment below which color you like. Thank you for watching and see you next time.